Hey everyone, Aaron Blaise here from CreatureArtTeacher.com. So just a quick update for you. We originally said that the lifetime membership sale was going to end on May 1st, but we've had a bunch of messages from people saying that they just missed it, whether it was timing, work, or just life getting in the way. So a lot of folks mentioned Friday is payday and asked if we could keep it open just a little bit longer. I get it, things happen, I've been there. So we've decided to go ahead and extend the sale through Monday to give everyone a little extra time. So this is the only time we're extending it. So after midnight, Monday, it's gonna officially close. So if you've been thinking about jumping in to our CreatureArtTeacher.com site, now's the time to do it. You'll get lifetime access to all the courses, all the brushes, all the tools, everything we've created so far, and everything still to come. So thanks a lot. Thanks again for being part of this amazing art community, and I'll see you next time at CreatureArtTeacher.com. Thanks.